In this tutorial, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step on how to do your eyebrows using some really fun Anastasia Beverly Hills products. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to get started using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Medium Brown. So what I like to start off by doing is drawing a light line on the bottom of my eyebrow, and this is going to create the base for my eyebrow. After I do that, I'm going to brush my hair downward and do the same thing at the top. Once I'm done drawing those two lines, I'm going to blend the bottom line upward and blend it into my eyebrow. This way I'm getting the product in any of the gaps that I have. When I'm done with that, I just use the thinner end of the product and go in lightly using natural hair-like motions. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer and a small angled brush and clean up any excess product. Now I'm going to clean off the concealer using a fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to go in and highlight under my eyebrow using another Anastasia Beverly Hills product, and this is a highlighting pencil duo, and I'm going to go in with the shade Matte Camille. I'm going to focus the product right on the arch of my eyebrow. Using the same fluffy brush that we used for the concealer, I'm just going to buff the product a little bit. Lastly, we're going to set our eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And that is how you fill in your eyebrows. I'm going to go finish the rest of my face. I'll see you guys next time.